guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Girija and I'm a 4th year MBBS student. I am also a YouTuber and I make content related to study hacks, productivity and everything that catches my interest. So make sure that you check out my channel and subscribe if you already haven't. Well, today's video is something really special and very close to my heart, and I'm sure that you've read the thumbnail or the title already. So, today's video is about this one right here, which is the iPhone 13 Pro. Well, this is the first ever expensive purchase that I've made for myself by myself, and if you want to know how, you should watch this video, which is about my scholarship. So this is the purchase that I made and I'm pretty happy and proud of it. So let's begin with the unboxing of this phone and I will let you know about a few details. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed watching the clips of unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. Well, this phone was a major upgrade for me because earlier I was using the iPhone X and moving from this phone to this one is definitely a high jump. And the fact that I bought this one with my own money is something that makes it even more special and gives it an emotional touch. And if you want to know how I earned money and how I got this one, you should definitely watch this video right here because it required a lot of hard work, a lot of patience and a lot of manifestation to get me this phone. Now, talking about why I got this phone, there were three major reasons. The first one is definitely the camera. The second one is the A15 Bionic chip, which is by far the fastest chip that Apple has to provide. And the third one is the major upgrade that Apple made in the battery life of the iPhone 13 series. Because iPhones are usually criticized because of their low battery life, but this one definitely has a major upgrade and is much better than the earlier iPhones. If you want me to make a detailed comparison video between the iPhone X and the iPhone 13 Pro, then mention it in the comment section below and you can also DM me on my Instagram. Well, talking about why I chose this color is because it was specifically provided only for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max series. I have chosen the 256GB variant in the color Sierra Blue. Now talking about other technical specifications, I will mention all of them in very short and precise manner over here. But if you want to know about them in detail, then you should definitely visit the Apple's official website, to which I'll provide a link in the description box below so that you can go and check every specification about the iPhone 13 Pro. Talking about the looks of this iPhone, it looks extremely classy and premium. Also, it has a beautiful frosted glass finish and sleek edges, which makes it very good looking. Now talking about the packaging, this time Apple had minimized the use of plastic a lot. Like there was no unnecessary plastic provided with the box, and there were two things which were removed. The first one is the charging adapter, because earlier Apple used to provide the charging adapter along with the cable, but this time we are only provided with the USB-C lightning cable and there are no wired earphones as well. So I kind of thought that it was a slight disadvantage, but it's okay because you're getting a power packed device. Now, as a student, I use my phone very productively and I'm going to make a dedicated video to this topic. But if you're a student as well and a content creator, then this phone is definitely a must buy. But if you have the iPhone X or any earlier versions, then this upgrade is worth it. But if you have the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, then I do not recommend upgrading to this one because there are not many differences over here. The other upgrades that were provided in the camera is the cinematic mode, the better night mode and the different kinds of versions provided in the portrait mode. So I'm definitely looking forward to click more pictures and more videos and shoot content with my new iPhone 13 Pro. So if you want to know more in detail about other Apple devices as well, then I'm going to make a different video based on all my Apple devices, how I use them as a student and how you can make productive use of your digital devices. These days, because of the pandemic, everything is online, and that's why I have my online classes. Also, I use an app called Marrow, for which I need my phone because I watch the online lectures either on my phone or on my iPad. So this is definitely going to be a major educational tool for me as well. And if you want to know more about Marrow, if at all you're a medical student, then you should check out the videos that I made on Marrow. I'll link them in the description box below and provide a link above as well. So this is how I am looking forward to make use of my new phone, and very excited to share more content with you guys. So make sure that you stay tuned with all the content that I create, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to hit the like button and share it with all your friends. You should definitely follow me on my Instagram as well. Looking forward to make more such content and making YouTube a positive space. Till then, don't forget to have your cup of positivity, and thank you so much for watching this video.